So, what's happening on Bitcoin? So let's speak about today. Very one of the most important day, because today is Fed meeting, bratans. 22 or 10 p.m. Dubai time, 7 p.m. German time. It's a very important meeting today. This is what we speak about, and we're speaking about that Bitcoin is trying to break a major support. What this means, will we see right now a breakdown, or will the Fed save us and we'll see a huge pump to 26k? This is what we will speak about. So, and let us start right now with the Fed meeting, because, bratans, I want to show you here news. The Federal Reserve is expected to raise interest rates by 75 base points, 0.75%. They just saying this to be intelligent, Wednesday, but also signal it could begin to slow down the size of its rate hikes in December. I mean, this would be highly bullish. So, what this means, I explain you again. So, the market expecting that they will rise the interest rates by 0.75%, right? So, if they do this, we will see huge pump in the market, right? If they increase by 1%, so by 100 basis points, then we'll see huge dump in the market. It's very important, guys, because on these days like this, when the Fed meeting is, it's very easy to trade, in my opinion, because what we are doing, we're standing on the sidelines and waiting, watching the Fed meeting. If you want, I do a live stream while the Fed meeting is, and we will watch together, and I will comment on this. If you want, write me down below. Because if they say 100 basis points, we are going short. It's very clear, because it's a clear short opportunity. If they say 75 basis points, we could go long. However, it's not a guarantee, but because market priced in 75 basis points, usually if they say 75 basis points, we will see a pump in the market. If they say more, 100 basis points, we will see dump in the market. So this is very important. Today, 10 p.m. Dubai time, 7 p.m. German time. You have to choose your time, which time zone you are. You know these two time zones, and then you can just watch in the internet which is your time zone. So right now, we are here. I was in a short, right? And we have here this yellow line. You see here resistance, support, and resistance here. Here you see support, and it seems we are breaking the support. And right now, what I would told, if we're breaking the support, it's a clear short opportunity. It's a clear short opportunity to at least here to 19,600, and then the next price target is here, our orange line, the support, because it's a previous support, this orange line, which would right now also turn into support at 18,766. So this could be short of 8%, 10%, 80%, 20%, 160%, right? But I was also in a short, but I closed my short position right now. Why? Because of the Fed meeting, bratans. It's very obvious. You see, the market is right now also waiting for a clear sign of the Fed meeting. Because if we see right now a little bit breakdown to the downside, and maybe we are reaching even 20k, it's fine. But if the Fed says we raise by 75 base point in December, we will decrease, we will see a huge pump to 26k, right? Therefore, obviously, also if they say right now they're raising by 100 base points, we see even a bigger dump. Everyone is waiting and standing on the sidelines right now. If we are watching the S&P 500, because S&P 500 closed 3,850. Right now in the futures, we see at 3,860, a small pump in the market. However, also here, you see some consolidation. So the market is right now closed, but they're waiting for it. And obviously, what I guessing, my personal opinion, what I spoke about that on the 8th November is midterm election, and Biden and the Democrats, they want to look it very good for the voters, right? They want that it looks like very clear, they're saving the market, everything is fine, we have not big problems, we have not big inflation problem, or we're getting the inflation, we are recovering from the inflation, right? So in my opinion, they will not let down the Fed giving bad news or raising by more than 75 basis points. Why? Because then we see huge dump in the S&P 500, and this would look like very bad for the midterm election. They're getting less voters, right? So therefore, I expecting that they want, this is in the interest of the Democrats, that they saying, please, no bad news, okay, 75 basis points, because we have to fight against the inflation, but this already priced in. And what we see right after, pump in the market, because they want to see a pump in the market until the 8th November to get voters. You understand what I mean? Therefore, I personally expecting a pump in the market. Yes, this is what my opinion is. What I want to say, I forgot it, because you see here, you see since end of October we saw break down this purple line. Told you we'll see a break up in the S&P 500, a pump, because we break this major line, and end of October was what? Before midterm election, 8th of November. So therefore I expecting here a further pump. I don't think that it's in the interest of the Democrats right now to see the S&P 500 like going to the toilet like piece of shit. I expecting they want to see pump to say, hey, we are saving the economy, blah, blah. And what it means for us, if we see in the pump in S&P 500, we see pump in Bitcoin. If we see Bitcoin pump, we see pump in altcoins, because S&P 500 is the leading indicator for Bitcoin. We see also 1 hourly is neutral. You see the market, man, this is crazy. My TA is, I'm very feel free to jerk to my TA, because this is very amazing. 4 hourly is obviously overbought, but there's still a lot room to go down. We could see a lot room to pump, right? And 1 hourly is also right now neutral. So there's still a lot room to see a pump to the upside, which would also, and let me see on 50 minute also neutral, which would where we would see a huge pump, a lot room to go to the upside. So blood, it was so difficult to tell, blood. So let me quickly watch what is the upside here. The upside is very clear. So if they say they will increase by 75 basis points, the first price tag is 20,500, the next one 20,600, the next one would be here around 20,800, the next one would be our white line at around 20,000. I would say, wait a minute, the time is at 22. Wait a minute, I have to extend it a little bit, because at 22 Dubai time is the Fed meeting. Wait a minute, is the right time? No, it's 8 time. What time is right now here in Dubai, блядь? In Dubai, Короче, блядь, it's too long. So 21K, around 21K. So this could be long, at least at 2.8%, 10x 28, 20x 46%. And if we break this 21K, which is a major resistance line, psychology, and here on the technical analysis, you see it. I mean, it depends. It's slightly below, slightly above 21K. It depends on timeline. If we break 21K, then we are open to reach 21,500 and then slightly below 22K. So all in all, this could be trade of 7.4%, 10x leverage 74%, 20x leverage over 150% long opportunity. And in the big picture, our price target, you know what our price target is. We are broke out of this descending broadening wedge here. And you see we saw a pump. I told you this was also the perfect breakout, not only on Bitcoin, also S&P 500, because S&P 500 leading Bitcoin, you understand. The price target is still 26K. This is what we are looking for. And I am very confident that if we don't see bad news, we will reach 26K. So all in all, we could reach here 27%, then exchange 270%, 20x average over 540% long opportunity in the big picture, bratans. So in my opinion, be prepared for it. I'm prepared for my trade. I closed my short right now in profits, $100 approximately in profits. I'm preparing my trade. Depends on what Fed is doing. If you also want to prepare your trades, you can do it on BitGet. This is where we are trading. You can win. I mean, not only that you get free access to my Discord Telegram channel, you can win out of $10,000 prize pool. You can get over $8,000 bonus after initial deposit, and you get right after your first trade, you get 50 USDT absolutely for free. On Bybit, it's also trustful, also exchange which I work in together. You get $4,620 for free, a little bit less, but also very, they both same. But you get a little bit less, but also after initial deposit, you can get $4,620 if you're trading through my affiliate link instead of $400. And you get, if you don't match any of these requirements to get this bonus, you still get absolutely for free access to my Discord and Telegram channel where I give you this information up front. Make sure you don't miss out of this, bratans. I don't know how long this bonus is valid, so make sure you make a registration, prepare your Bitcoin trade and Ethereum trade. Ethereum, I tell you also exactly what are here the price targets. Obviously, if we see a pump in Bitcoin. If the Fed says 75 base points, S&P 500 will pump, Bitcoin will pump. If Bitcoin pumping, Ethereum and altcoins will pumping. First price target 1,620, and next price target would be here around $1,700. So this could be on all a trade of 10%, 10x average, 100%, 20x average, over 20% long opportunity if they say 75 basis points. In my opinion, not a financial advice. If they say we are making 100 basis points, we will see breakdown, huge breakdown. We can short. For us, doesn't matter. We can short. I want to see pump, but anyways, we can make profits also on a short. First price tag 1,488. Next price target, our yellow support line at around 1,281. 17% profits on a short, 10x average 170%, 10x average 340%. However, I'm expecting more a pump in the market because the Biden administration their interest is to raise the market because midterm election on the 8th November. So I expecting a pump in the S&P 500 and also pump in Bitcoin and altcoin. So these are the price tag for Ethereum. Ethereum you can buy on spot, what I'm doing also a lot, also on BitGet, or just short or long also on BitGet or Bybit. Link is for both down below. They are both the same exchanges. You can choose whatever you want. On BitGet you get a little bit more bonus, but you have to decide for yourself. And for USA, BitGet is working for USA. You can trade on BitGet. Bybit is not working in USA, but BitGet is working in USA. Or in Germany also, BitGet I think it's allowed. Bybit no, I don't know, but BitGet I think is allowed. I mean, decide by yourself, but that's both same exchange. I trade on both. Very clear. You get free access to my Discord Telegram channel, bratans. If this is very valuable information for you, because it was valuable information for you, hit like button, subscribe to this channel. If not, then go play Mario Kart, bratans. Thank you everyone for watching, and I see you in the Telegram group. I send you sometimes lovely messages, before you go to sleep or after waking up. If you have any questions, write me there or here in the comments. I kiss you and see you later. Mwah.